Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add timestamp to your videos in CapCut. So here I've already imported my video, and to add a timestamp you can just find the timestamp overlay video from YouTube. I actually have downloaded, and you can just add it as overlay, add it to your clips like this. Now find blend, and here choose a filter or over. You can just choose the one you want, so you can use between lighten or filter. So you can just adjust the opacity like this. Okay, click on the check icon. Now you can adjust the size to your liking. For example, I'm going to I'm going to just put it at the bottom, then trim the overlay based on the duration of the video. Okay, so now the timestamp has been added, and this is the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.